we're ready. We've been going against each other this whole time, so it's good to get some new competition and see some new faces. So yeah, for sure.
We've been competing against American guys for the last 2 weeks. It's good to just kind of figure out where we're at right now.
On behalf of Team USA, I want to thank everybody for coming out and supporting us. Can't wait to represent you guys in the World Cup in China. Thank you.
And back out to Jason Tatum. Middleton has it. Goes baseline. Sets up Brown for the dunk.
Who got ball? Stay okay.
Rubio turns the corner to set up Gasol, and that is turned away by Turner. Gasol gets it back.
This Spain team could come back. Donovan Mitchell with a fantastic move and finish.
Middleton sees Walker ahead of the pack. And an easy 2 for Kemba Walker.
Here you go, here you go.
Middleton will take it and knock it down. Chris Middleton.
Three-pointer. Keep pushing it. Keep pushing it.
Walker over to Tatum. Quick drive, and he hammers it home.
It's a final, USABMNT.
Big time win, hometown, home to Australia. Did a lot of good things today. Shout out to everybody who came out in Anaheim, man. Played a great game. Shout out to Spain. Such a great competition. And we're off to Australia, so let's go.